Hey there, food lovers! Have we got a Valentine's Day dessert that'll have everyone talking? We created the most outspoken heart conversation cheesecake ever. Create this buzzworthy Valentine's Day treat that's unforgettable. So, let's grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and get started. Are you ready to embark on a delicious adventure? Let's kick things off by gathering our ingredients. This is the exciting foundation of our culinary journey, where each component plays a vital role in crafting a mouth-watering masterpiece. So, let's jump in and discover all the delightful elements we need to whip up this heartwarming dessert. You'll need graham cracker crumbs, the base of our delicious crust. These crumbs provide a crunchy, buttery foundation that perfectly complements the creamy filling. Make sure they are finely ground for the best texture. Sugar, for sweetness and a touch of magic. It not only sweetens our crust, but also helps to balance the tanginess of the cream cheese. Use granulated sugar for a smooth blend. Melted butter binds the crust and adds richness. The butter helps the graham cracker crumbs stick together, forming a solid base that holds up under the creamy filling. Make sure it's unsalted to control the flavor. Cream cheese is the star of the show, so make sure it's at room temperature. This ensures a smooth, lump-free filling. The cream cheese provides the rich, tangy flavor that makes cheesecake irresistible. Eggs will give our cheesecake its beautiful texture. They act as a binding agent, giving the cheesecake structure and creamy consistency. For the best results, use fresh, large eggs. Vanilla extract, a splash of warmth and irresistible flavor. This adds depth and complexity to the cheesecake, enhancing the overall taste. Use pure vanilla extract for the best flavor. Fresh berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. Oh my. These vibrant fruits add color and natural sweetness to our dessert. Make sure to wash them thoroughly and pat them dry. Lemon juice, a touch of brightness to enhance the berry flavors. The acidity of the lemon juice balances the sweetness of the berries and adds a refreshing zing to the compote. Cornstarch thickens our luscious berry compote. This ensures that the compote has the perfect consistency, not too runny and not too thick. It helps the berries hold together and creates a beautiful topping for our cheesecake. Remember, using high-quality ingredients makes a difference, so choose wisely. The quality of your ingredients will shine through in the final product, making your cheesecake truly exceptional.
Let's launch our delicious culinary journey with the true star of the show, the crust. It's unbelievably easy to whip up and provides the ideal base for our delectable cheesecake creation. Prepare your taste buds for a feast like no other, and get ready to enjoy every mouth-watering bite. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure that our crust bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden color. Now, combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. This creates a sweet and buttery base that complements the creamy cheesecake filling. Mix it well with a fork until it resembles wet sand. This texture is key because it ensures the crust will hold together without being too dense or crumbly. Press this mixture into your heart-shaped springform pan. The shape adds a lovely touch, making it perfect for special occasions or to show extra love in baking. Make sure it's even and compact. An even crust ensures that every bite of cheesecake has the perfect balance of crust and filling. You can use the bottom of a measuring cup to really press it down. This helps to compact the crust firmly, preventing it from crumbling when you cut into the cheesecake. Bake for about 10 minutes or until lightly golden. Keep an eye on it to avoid overbaking, as we want a nice light golden color that adds a slight crunch without being too hard. Set it aside to cool completely. Cooling the crust is essential before adding the filling. This helps to set the base and ensures that the filling doesn't seep into the crust, keeping the layers distinct and delicious. Now, for the heart of our creation, the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth and creamy. You want to make sure there are no lumps. This is important for a velvety texture. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Remember, don't overmix.
We want a smooth filling, not a bubbly one.
It's time to indulge in the delightful charm of whispered sweetness with a luscious berry compote. While the crust cools, let's make the berry compote. This will add a burst of fresh flavor to our cheesecake. Combine the berries, sugar, lemon juice, and cornstarch in a saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and the berries are softened. Set aside to cool slightly. This compote is going to be so good. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tart. Let's embark on a creative journey together. It's time to turn your vision into reality with a work of art. Join us as we assist you in assembling your very own masterpiece. Now comes the fun part, assembling our masterpiece. Pour the cheesecake filling over the cooled crust. Gently spread it evenly. Next, spoon the berry compote over the cheesecake filling. You can create a beautiful swirl effect with a toothpick. Get creative. This is your chance to make it your own. Take a deep breath and embrace the moment. Patience is key. Let yourself chill and soak in the atmosphere. This is where the real magic unfolds, but it takes some care and time to enjoy it truly. So, settle in and let the experience unfold. Now for the hardest part, waiting. It's tempting to rush, but trust us. Good things come to those who wait. Carefully transfer the cheesecake to a baking sheet, handling it gently to maintain its shape. This will help catch any drips. Using parchment paper or a silicone mat can make cleanup a breeze. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as oven temperatures can vary. The edges should be set, and the center should be slightly jiggly. This jiggle is key to a creamy texture. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside, with the door slightly ajar. This gradual cooling helps prevent sudden temperature changes. This will help prevent cracks. A smooth, crack-free surface is the hallmark of a well-made cheesecake. Once it's cooled, chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the texture to set perfectly. Patience here will reward you with a beautiful and delicious cheesecake. Ready to unleash your inner artist, decorating with panache. After the long wait, it's time to decorate. Remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. You can garnish it with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or even a sprig of mint. Be creative and have fun with it. This is where your personality shines through. Today we are going on a culinary adventure. It's time to make a dessert that's not only delicious, but also beautiful. This is our heart conversation cheesecake. It's perfect for sharing with loved ones. It's sure to spark conversation. Get ready for a delightful journey. Every bite is bliss, from the buttery crust to the creamy filling. Let's gather our ingredients and embark on this baking adventure together. Let's spread positivity and showcase what makes us proud. It's time to celebrate and share the love. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Slice into your beautiful heart conversation cheesecake and savor the flavors. Share it with your loved ones and create sweet memories together. Don't forget to share your creations on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We can't wait to see your beautiful masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more sweet treats. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more delicious desserts heading your way. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. Until next time, happy baking!